In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly embed Google Sheets into your Google site. Whether you're sharing data with colleagues, family, or your entire audience, integrating a Google Sheet into your site can make your information more dynamic and accessible. So let's dive right in. To get started, first, make sure you're logged into your Google account. This is essential because it allows you to access all your Google tools and services without any interruptions. Now navigate to your Google Sites. You can do this by going to Google's homepage and selecting Sites from the app menu, which is represented by a grid icon in the upper right corner. Once you're there, choose the site where you'd like to add your Google Sheet. If you're new to this, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. Google Sites is designed to be user-friendly, offering straightforward navigation that ensures even beginners can start creating functional sites quickly. Once you've opened your site, look towards the right side of the screen where you'll find several options to customize your page. Click on the Insert tab. This is your gateway to integrating various elements into your web page. From text boxes and images to files from other Google apps, this tab offers a variety of insertable content types. Now we're specifically looking for Google Sheets. Scroll down until you find it on the list. This option lets you embed spreadsheets directly from your Google Drive. Selecting the Google Sheets option will present you with a view of all the sheets you've created or have access to in your Google Drive. It's here that you'll need to choose the specific spreadsheet you want to display on your site. Take a moment to manage your sheets beforehand, ensuring the data is presentable and that any sensitive information is either removed or protected. When the spreadsheet is ready, simply click on the right one and hit Insert. The selected Google Sheet should now be embedded into your site. You'll see a real-time view of your spreadsheet, which will update as you make changes to the original file on Google Drive. This functionality ensures that anyone viewing your site always sees the most current data. It's important to check the sharing settings of your Google Sheet to make sure that everyone who needs access can view or interact with it, depending on the level of engagement you're aiming for. And just like that, you're done. You've successfully integrated a Google Sheet into your Google site. By following these steps, you can ensure your audience has access to important, up-to-date data directly from your site. This makes it a perfect tool for educational purposes, business dashboards, or personal project sharing. Remember, this feature allows for continuous updating so your site remains relevant and informative. Thank you for watching, and happy site building.